Your TikTok account got deleted. Yes, I know about this pimple. Bear with me. Or you just got your TikTok account banned. So how do you recover a deleted TikTok account? First of all, if you just can't log in on TikTok, I already have created a video about it and you can see it in the cards above that can help you log in on TikTok even without a password. But to recover a deleted TikTok account, all I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. Yeah, you are. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new with bell notifications on. So this is no BS tutorial, here is how you do it. Okay, so I'm on my TikTok right here. I just have two TikToks, they're really funny. If you ask me, you can check my TikTok out. And if you go on the three dots right here, click on manage my accounts, you have a delete account option. So if you click that, it will ask for a code, which has to continue, you need to complete SMS verification. Okay, send me the code. Now I'm waiting for the code.
A few moments later.
Patiently, because those codes never arrive that fast.
One eternity later.
Okay, I've got it. Continue. And it says here, confirmation. If you delete your account, you'll no longer be able to log into TikTok with that account. You'll
lose access to any videos you have posted. You'll not be able to get a refund. Information that is not stored in your account, such as your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to public. After 30 days, your account will be deleted
permanently. Right? So if you click on delete account and click delete, now my account is deleted. But is it really? If I just click on here and click in sign in, I go and log into my account, and now I gotta actually log in with a code. I'm doing that, and here it says reactivate your TikTok account. I'll click reactivate, and here it is, my account is back. Okay, so again, if you have your account deactivated, you have 30 days to actually cancel the deactivation. This is the easiest way to actually get your account back. If that doesn't work and you just had your account banned for some reason, the way to fix that is actually going on the three dots right here again, clicking on report a problem, account and profile, manage account, hacked accounts. Is your problem resolved? No. And explain the situation to Instagram by clicking, to TikTok by clicking report a problem, still have the problem, and explain the situation right here. So this is how you do it. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment down below. I reply to every single comment. Just try me.
Okay.
And you know what? I can shout your TikTok account, YouTube channel or Instagram in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is, are you listening? Just comment your username down below. We have a few shout-out winners on this video, and it's actually, the first one is AJR Medical Community from a medical student page. I really like that because my wife is a medical student. Some of you might know that. Then we have Squid Says No, who says best channel ever. And then also says thank you. I'm not sure if he did a, instead of doing a reply, he just commented again, which is really good engagement for me. Then we have Pranit Bure, who says was waiting so long for your video, and it's actually really funny. It's really motivating for me because in that week I was doing like 10 to 15 videos for like a month. So to know that some of you guys watch every single video, like 2 videos a day, mind blown. See you next on a video day keeps the doctor away by the end of this video. One of these videos. Now, bye.